All right, we're going to finish up multiplying polynomials here with two last examples. So again, notice I have two terms. Remember, anytime I have an addition or subtraction, it's a new term. So this is a binomial. One, two, three terms. So that's a trinomial. So if I look here, 7a times 2a, 7 times 2 is 14. A times a squared. I'm going to multiply this 2a by all three of these. Then I'm going to multiply the b by all three of these. So I should end up with 6 terms. This times 3, so that's 3 terms. And then the second one times 3, that's another 3 terms. So that's 6 total terms. So 2a times 7a, 2a times 4b, 2 times 4 is 8. And then I have ab. 2a times negative 5c, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And then I have ac. Next, I'm going to multiply my b times all three terms. So b times 7a is 7ab. b times 4b is 4b squared. Again, remember, b times b is b squared. Remember, I'm multiplying this, not adding. So b times b is b squared, 4b squared. b times negative 5c is negative 5bc. Finally, I always look and make sure there are no like terms. A squared, no other a squareds. ab, ac, ab. Both of these have one a and one b, so they are like terms. So I have 14a squared. I'm going to cross these out, put them together. That gives me 15ab. ac, bc, nope. And then b squared and bc. So none of the other ones are like terms, so I can just write all of those out. So this is my final answer. So once again, I'm going to multiply this 2a by all three of these, then the b times all three of these. Very important to remember to put either an addition or subtraction sign after each multiplication to show that it's being added. Add any like terms. Remember, since I'm adding here, I added the coefficients, but I kept my variables the same. When I'm multiplying, I multiply my coefficients, and then I add the exponents of my variable. So that's why b times 4b is 4b squared, but 8ab plus 7ab is 15ab, not a squared b squared. Because this is being added, so I leave my variables the same, whereas this is being multiplied, so I add the exponents on the variables. Finally, I have a similar problem down here, but this time I'm going to do it vertically, up and down instead of horizontally. So I'm going to do this negative 2 by each one of these, and then the 5x by each one of these. So negative 2 times 4, that's going to be negative 8. I'm going to put it way over here. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3x. Again, pay attention to these signs. Negative 3x and negative 2 is positive 6x. Then negative 2 times 2x cubed is negative 4x cubed. Now remember, when I multiply 5x by each one of these, I want to place them under their like terms. So 5x times 4 is 20x, so I'm going to put that under 6 since they both only have one x. 5x times x squared is x cubed, so I'm going to put that under x cubed, because remember I want to line them up. Remember to put the signs. And then 5x times negative 3x is negative 15x squared, so I'm going to put that under the x squared. So remember, each time I multiply, I'm going to put it under the like term. Finally, 5x times 10x cubed, that's going to be 2x cubed, that's going to be 10x to the fourth. So I'm going to put that way over here. Now I have all of my like terms lined up. So I can add down, add down, add down. Now here I'm going to switch the order because I want it to be in descending order. So I'm going to put these first, negative 17x squared, then these 26x, and finally negative 8. So notice now I've added all my like terms and I have it in descending order. There are no more like terms, so that is my final answer.